Hi, it's Krista from Flourish Yoga. I'm a yoga health coach up in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and I want to share with you the two things that have made the biggest difference and impact in my life. Number one is the Dinacharya. And I first heard about this in a course I was taking with Kate Stillman for yogis and business and helping us get more focused and productive. Everybody on our calls kept talking about the Dinacharya and how it was so amazing, it was so great, and I've been doing yoga for 10 years, never heard of this thing, the Dinacharya, but I knew I needed it. So the Dinacharya is simply your daily habits or your routine, right? Sounds easy, sounds simple, except consistency is in the bottom 5 of my strengths. So I am Vata, extreme Vata. And so doing the habits every day, being consistent in that is like running up against the current or running against the wind, right? Vata, wind, habits, not an easy mix to go in there. So the second jewel that I found brings this together. It synergizes with our habits and creates a formula that helps me be consistent. All right. So essential oils are the key to my consistency in our habits. So what happens? You wake up in the morning, here you are in my bathroom with me today, and you wake up all sleepy, you come into your bathroom, the first thing I see is my little bottle of lemon sitting beside my cup, right? And so you take a drop of lemon in, fill it with water. I do just 1 drop of lemon and a couple cups of water just to kind of get everything kick-started. But the bottle of oil ends up being my trigger, right? So it's the trigger, it's the habit, because I'm adding the oil in, I'm going to get that benefit of the cleansing, and it's the reward. So not only is lemon really cleansing on our system, it boosts our immune system, and it's our emotional oil for focus and clarity. So I get to have that with me throughout the day. So super great rewards to have with that one simple little habit trigger coming into it. It wraps everything all into one. Okay, after getting dressed, I come out into my bedroom and glance over to my meditation area, over to the windows, and what do I see? Is my little bottle of oil sitting beside my meditation cushion. If you weren't quite thinking about sitting down, that little bottle of oil is like, ooh, I need some of that. And so it helps me come to the chair and make sure I get my meditation done every morning. So a couple oils that I recommend for this. One is the Balance Blend. This is a great oil just to put on the bottoms of your feet, or you can breathe it in, whichever you like. It is made up of trees and flowers, so it's really good for those days that you need to get something done. You've got so many things going in different directions. It like brings you in, like hug it all together like that trunk of the tree, and then it allows you to flower and get stuff done. The other one that I love is the Adaptiv blend. So if you're feeling anxious, overwhelmed again, just need to brighten your mood a little bit, this is a wonderful mental health blend that I love for that. And this one here, I would either breathe it in before meditation, I put it on the back of my neck, and maybe even right there on my heart space. So 2 great solutions for that. And then this continues throughout the day. So this is a great way just to get your day started, right? But throughout the day, you might, tap into a little bit of peppermint after lunch it's going to soothe your digestion. But I just leave this one on my computer table. And so when I'm doing some work there and I just need a little break, I feel my energy flagging, I can take that 1 drop of oil in my hand, breathe it in, and get a nice little refreshing boost, right? And plus you just feel energized as your reward at the end of that one. Another one I love to use during the afternoon is Slim and Sassy, or Smart and Sassy if you're in Canada. And this one helps prevent cravings. So if you have that habit in the afternoon of reaching out for something in the kitchen or in the cookie jar, that's a really good one to prevent that, so you can get your meals and your stomach lined up and on its schedule. And last but not least, your evening ritual. So this one here is Serenity. And this really takes your evening routines or what you're doing before bed and makes it into that nice little goddess ritual. So a little drop of Serenity, and then rubbing it in and having a nice deep foot massage at the end of the day. So just touching, that loving touch on your feet is going to ground you and help you be present, right? The oils in this are also going to help ground you, calm your emotions, and help you be present. Plus, they're going to get you into that really deep state of sleep, so you can really enjoy a nice relaxing sleep tonight. Okay, there's so many more ways that the oils can support our habits in Ayurveda. It's really, really fun. So whether you're looking at digestively, whether you're looking at exercise and helping relieve stiffness and muscles, super good support. So I've included a link in the summary of this so you can get a full list of like all the different habits and what you might want to use as a reward for those and a trigger for those. Really super effective tool to help you get started with that. Just one note, in Ayurveda, so there's kind of the difference, like what's the difference between the dried herbs and the essential oils? And both have been around for a long, long time. The essential oils are more of that pure plant essence. So they have a lot more vitality to them, and they're a lot more potent than the dried herbs. And so if you're looking to get results a little bit quicker, if you are looking to just add that sense of vitality and energy, the essential oils provide that over the herbs. Both are good, and quite often they work really well synergistically together. Another thing, in Ayurveda, we pursue what's pure, right? We believe that nature has a lot of answers for us and getting back to nature's rhythms. So you want to just make sure that the oils that you're using are pure plant extracts. A lot of what's out there, unfortunately, is not. About, I'd say 90-95% of the essential oils on the market do have additives and fillers. It's big business. It's just like anything you find in the grocery store. Never buy oils from the grocery store because they will be full of additives and fillers, and you just can't guarantee that sense of quality, and you won't get the results that you want. So connect with your health coach, and she can help you get started. Or he can help you get started with what they would recommend for you to do. These are a few great ones that I've suggested for you here today. If they're unable to help you, feel free, of course, to reach out to me, but together we'll kind of create that plan for you. All right, so if you're struggling with consistency and dialing these habits in and need that little bit of oomph factor, or you want to amplify some of the effects of the habits in treating some digestive issues and joints pains and that type of thing, take a look and try out the essential oils. It makes a huge difference and total game changer for me, and I hope it will be for you too.